Hi guys, welcome back to the Museum of Cornish Life. In today's Museum Makes, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own snow globe, and this is kind of inspired by our collection tour on Wednesday, which is going to show you some of our items that we've got in the museum that have links to winter sports. So to start, you're going to need something to put your snow globe in. So this snow globe here is going to be in a jam jar. And I've just cleaned it out and I've taken the label off the outside. So this is what you're going to want to use, and you want something to put in your snow globe. So you could use a small plastic toy or some Lego and you could attach it that way. What I'm going to use instead is a kind of small figurine that I've used and cut out using printer paper, and it's myself, if you can see, ice skating. So what I've done is I've laminated this so the water doesn't penetrate into the printer paper. If you don't have a laminator at home, you can just wrap it really securely with some sellotape. Just make sure there's no gaps and make sure it's really tightly on so no water can get inside. So to attach this, you're going to want to use something to stick it to the lid. So I've just got some blue tack, and the snow globe is kind of going to appear upside down. So the jam jar is with its lid at the bottom, so this is how it will stand. So we want to attach my little image onto this lid here. So using the blue tack, I'm going to press it kind of flat and then push my figure in. And using the blue tack, I'm going to almost kind of push it up the sides of the image to make sure it's really nice and secure. As you can see, I'm just using this blue tack and pushing it up the image. You want to make sure it's really, really stuck down, because we don't want that to come loose when we attach it in the snow globe. So if you kind of give it a tug, you can see if it needs attaching more, which mine does a little bit. Just keep going until it's really nice and tight. There we go, so that's nice and secure. And then you want to pop it and stick it down really firmly onto the lid. And if you pick it up, give it a little shake around, you'll see if it's nice and attached. There you go, I might just stick it down a bit more firmer. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that your image is smaller than your lid and will also fit in the hole at the top. Now mine's a little bit too big, but I can squeeze it in and it's fine. Now I thought it would look nice to have kind of a wintry theme on the back of my snow globe. So what I've done is I've just printed off a nice kind of winter scene with the lake in the middle. You could draw any of this if you like. I'm just not that good at drawing. And then if you remember, the snow globe's kind of going to be upside down. So I want to attach the image upside down onto this, and I'm just going to stick it on with a little bit of sellotape down the sides. And you can put any image you want at the back. So it'll look like that, as you can see. So we want to put some kind of water and glitter in there. So I'm just taking normal tap water and I'm going to fill it almost to the top, but not quite, because we want to make some room for our figure to sit in there. And we want some glitter, because that's what's fun about the snow globes, is the glitter kind of swirls around. So I've just got this nice pearlescent white glitter, and I'm going to pour a decent amount in. You want to make sure you don't get this glitter everywhere, because it is a pain to clean up. And I might just add some gold as well. There we go. So I've just put kind of my glitter, it's floating on top of the water now. I'm going to put my little figure in and twist it to secure it and shake it about, and there you can see my little figure skating, and we've got the glitter swirling around. So that's your snow globe, and you can add whatever you want in. And like I said, you could use some little Lego figurines or anything like that that you have left over. And I thought I'd show you another way if you don't want to put anything in your snow globe and kind of use it as almost, I think, a picture frame, something quite fun and interactive. I've already filled my jam jar with glitter and water, and this time I've actually mixed in some clear glue, and it kind of thickens the water. So this is just clear craft glue. You want to make sure it's clear and not the kind of white PVA glue, or else it'll make it kind of cloudy and milky. So if I show you, if I shake it up and put it back down, it kind of makes the glitter float just a little bit longer than in water. So with this one, I thought because it's kind of glittery and like a celebration, I would attach a photo of Flora Day, because we're all missing it. So I've just printed one out from our collection, and like the same as the background of the other one, I'm just going to stick it on the back with some sellotape. And you could do photos of you and your friends, you and your family, anything you like. And it's a bit more of a summary version of a snow globe. So if I shake it up, and hopefully you can see, and you can kind of pick up the image through as soon as the glitter starts settling. So that's kind of 2 ways of making your own snow globes, and I hope you enjoy doing them. And don't forget to tune in on Wednesday, where we'll be showing you some of our winter sports items that we hold at the museum. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.